Hi everyone! Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where did all of these came from? How did the sun, the planets, and even Earth itself begin?
Today, we're taking a cosmic journey way back 4.6 billion years ago to uncover the theories behind the birth of our solar system. Trust me, what you're about to learn is something that astronomers still find mind-blowing.
So buckle up, space explorers, because the story of how everything began is wilder than sci-fi.
Let's start with the most accepted theory, the Nebular hypothesis. It proposes that our solar system formed from a rotating cloud of gas and dust, called a nebula.
Gravity caused this cloud to collapse. As it spun faster, it flattened into a disk with a sun forming at the center. The remaining dust clumped together into bigger and bigger chunks until they eventually became planets. Simple, elegant, and supported by tons of evidence. Some evidence includes observations of young stars forming with disks whose planets orbit in the same direction and plane, and the fact that the sun contains most of the system's mass.
Before the nebular hypothesis became dominant, there was the encounter theory. This idea suggested that a passing star came close to the sun, pulling hot gases out of it. These gases cooled and formed planets.
Sounds dramatic, right? But there's a problem. Hot gases don't come easily. Also, star encounters are extremely rare.
Another idea is the protoplanet theory, which suggests that our solar system formed from many small clouds of gas and dust. These clouds collided and merged to create the sun and planets. This theory solves some problems of the encounter theory, but is still not as supported as the nebular hypothesis.
So what do these theories have in common? All of them suggest the solar system formed from cosmic material like gas, dust, and energy. All attempt to explain why planets orbit the sun. But here's the catch. The encounter theory involves an outsider star. The nebular hypothesis doesn't. The protoplanet theory has multiple clouds combining, while the nebular hypothesis only needs one.
After decades of research, observations, and modern space telescopes, scientists overwhelmingly agree that the nebular hypothesis is the most accepted model of how our solar system formed. It best explains the structure of the solar system, the motion of planets, and how we see a newborn star across the universe. And that's the story of how everything we know from the sun to the tiniest moon came into existence.
If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science journeys. Drop a comment, which cosmic theory surprised you the most? Thanks for watching and see you in the next orbit.